Okay, so I kind of have some good news. Dummy is back. Yes, your favorite Roblox piggy-inspired game, Dummy. It is back on Roblox. I mean, it never was like gone from Roblox, but you know what I mean. Because the whole Chapter 5 thing. But we removed Chapter 5 and replaced it with something way better. Alright, let's read the patch notes. Easter is here, and to celebrate, we removed prehistoric tunes because of the lag. We also added an Easter egg somewhere around the 4 chapters that you will need to find.
By the way, I'm still waiting.
Oh yeah, the Tombs badge is used for the Egg Hunt badge, so if you don't get a badge, that's why. 3 favorites. Good, I'm favoriting it. I'm also going to follow the game. I dislike it, just kidding, it's my own game. Of course I'm going to like it. And yeah, there's 100 Robux for private servers, probably going to make private servers free. But yeah, as you can see, where's the Prehistoric Tombs badge? No, it's replaced by this badge. See, 1/6, and the game was updated today. The reason for that is because, yeah, this is the Prehistoric Tombs badge, but I just changed the name in the icon. So are you smart enough to find the hidden egg? So basically, I'm pretty sure Prehistoric Tombs was the reason that this game lagged. If it wasn't, then I'll probably remove Forest, honestly. Or, I mean, Jungle. Why do I keep calling it Forest? If it's a jungle, I'm just too caught up in like Roblox piggy like maps that I just always call Chapter 4 Forest instead of what Chapter 4 in any game is usually supposed to be. Alright, so let's go into the game. Probably gonna remove the intro. I forgot to do that because it still says the Ice King boss, and I don't know how to fix it. My friend did it. I know you would think I would have to know how to fix it by now.
After dinner, there's no iPad or electronics.
So, oh my god, it's still lagging. Well, most of the lag is actually just my computer because this is like a 5-year-old computer. So just deal with how slow it is. There's 2 cursors, what the heck? Why are there 2 cursors? This is broken. Oh, it all just lagged so fast. Oh, like nothing is loaded in. Oh, there's Dummy. Game load, please. Game. Alright, my game is broken. Nice. Of course I know I died. Oh my god. Alright, I think it's actually gonna load now. It better. Starting Roblox. Waiting for an available server. Joining server. It better not lag again, I swear. I swear most of it is just my computer. Oh yeah, and this glitch on the floor is just because we put 2 parts like right on top of each other. Oh yeah, also I know we hyped up the next like chapter of what is it called? Dumb Invasion? Why do I have an egg on my head? Wait 1 second, I need to go back to the lobby. Why is there an egg on my head? Okay, things are actually starting to load in. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Oh, nice. It's actually loading. Okay, yeah. I have the egg on my head because I ran into that, but I think that's why. Oh shoot, I forgot.
Dude, I didn't even beat you at shuffleboard yet.
I'll beat you later. Yeah, basically just know that there's an Easter event. I'm not going to try to get into it on my laggy computer, but yeah, there's an Easter event. Go play it. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry. And yeah, bye.